If you're new, welcome. My name is Kristen, and tonight is soft, crunchy tacos. To prep the tomato, you want to cut them into small dices. You got to have enough room in your soft shell to hold all the goodness that we about to fill it up with. I cut the onion into like a fine diced bite, but if you like yours bigger, just chop it up how you like it. Season the meat with onion and garlic powder. You want to toss your meat every few minutes until the meat is browned up. There is a method to my madness when I'm assembling tacos. You want to make sure that you have already warmed up your soft shells in the microwave in a damp paper towel for about 30 seconds. Put your meat and your cheese in and then fold it over so that it can warm up the cheese. It only takes like maybe a minute or so. Next, you want to go in with the lettuce. I put mine on the bottom so that it doesn't all fall out and I'm actually eating some of the lettuce. Put as many onions on as you like and then drop in the tomatoes. All right, back to the meat. So you want to make sure that you drain your meat before you put your taco seasoning in. I fill my little packet with water and then drop that in. You only need 1 packet of water per pound of meat. So this equals out to be like the perfect amount right here. Simmer that on low until most of the liquid is absorbed. All right, back to the taco. So you want to dash it with some salt and pepper, and then you want to hit it with that taco sauce. Put as much as you like. Crush up your Doritos and then pour that over the top. These tacos are so good, and it's no longer a soft shell or a hard shell. This brings the both of them together. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon and get your grocery list download. The link is down in the description. Grab your groceries and come back tomorrow because we're going to be making our pasta meal for the week. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.